Good morning, students. How are you doing? I hope you are doing very well. So today is the revision day of chapter the Earth and the solar system. I have given a descriptive video about our planet Earth. You can just check it out on the channel. In today's video, we will be learning about galaxy, constellations, the sun and the moon, and about other planets. Okay, so first of all, आते हैं हम galaxy पर. So here you can see there is an image where you can see many stars. Okay, night time जब आप आसमान की ओर देखते हैं, आकाश की ओर देखते हैं, you can see countless number of stars shining in the sky. These stars are nothing but shining balls of gases, burning ball of gases, and what actually is happening during this time, their reactions and other things make them follow up the light of their own. आकाश में अनंत सितारे हैं. ऐसा माना जाता है वैज्ञानिकों के द्वारा कि देयर आर अबाउट 200 बिलियंस ऑफ स्टार्स इन द स्काई. हमको काफ़ी कम दिखते हैं और कुछ सितारे जो है बहुत नज़दीक दिखते हैं, लेकिन एक्चुअली they are very far from each other. They are very far, maybe thousands, lakhs of kilometers away from each other. हमको नज़दीक इसलिए दिखते हैं क्योंकि हम उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा दूर हैं. They are several light years away from us. The Proxima Centauri, the nearest star to us after the sun, is almost 4 light years away from us. That means कि रोशनी को या प्रकाश को वहाँ से धरती तक आने के लिए लगभग 4 वर्ष लग जाते हैं. So you can imagine how far it is from us. सो ऐसा माना जाता है वैज्ञानिकों के द्वारा कि देयर आर 100 बिलियंस ऑफ गैलेक्सीज, और हर गैलेक्सी में अपने अपने काउंटलेस नंबर ऑफ स्टार्स होते हैं. एंड दीज ग्रुप ऑफ स्टार्स आर नोन एज constellation. Constellation is a group of star which forms a kind of cluster. You can see here in the picture there are several kind of constellations you can see in the stars, the Ursa Major or the many other given in your book. So coming on to the next point is about the sun. Sun is also a star and it is the major part of our solar system. Before coming on to the sun, let us discuss what is solar system. Solar system is a composition of a sun, its planets, satellites, dwarf planets, asteroids, meteoroids and many other things. Our solar system in which we live has a sun in it, also has 8 stars, their satellites and meteoroids, asteroids and a dwarf planet that we will come later in the video. So sun is about the 99% of the total mass of our solar system. Rest 99.99% to be very precise, it is the mass of sun, and rest 0.1% is the total mass of other things floating in the sun. The sun has the massive gravitational pull after the other stars, and this gravitational pull actually holds up every other thing. You might be get surprised to know that how these planets float in the space, since there is no other thing to hold them up. Gravity helps each of these things to get together there. Sun has its own gravity, other planets have their own gravity, sun pulls them, other pulls other, और इसी तरीके से ये सारी चीज़ें आपस में एक जगह पर बनी रहती हैं. They continue the revolution around the sun, they continue the rotation around the sun, and gradually the process moves on. Now coming on to the planets. In our solar system there are 8 planets and 1 dwarf planet. The 8 planets initially starts with Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, and later on there are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There is an asteroid belt soon after Mars. Mars के बाद एक asteroid belt बनी होती है, which you can see here in the picture. There is an asteroid belt here which follows after Mars. So these 8 planets have different composition. जो inner planet होते हैं, जो asteroids के अंदर होते हैं, they have rocky and hard surface. Like Mercury is totally made up of iron. Venus has a different composition. Earth में हम रहते हैं तो हमको पता है कि what is the composition of Earth. Mars is also somewhat made up of iron and other mineral. Rest all other planets like the gaseous planet Saturn, the gaseous giant Jupiter and Neptune and Saturn, these all are made up of gas and have a very low temperature. जैसे जैसे ये सूर्य से दूर होते जाते हैं, the temperature falls down, and it takes I must tell about our Earth. It takes 365 days and 6 hours for our Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun, and for the furthest planet, that is Neptune, it takes near about 284 years. So you can imagine that Earth में हमने वर्ल्ड वॉर देख लिए, 2 वर्ल्ड वॉर देख लिए, साइंटिफिक प्रोग्रेस देख लिए, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें देख ली, एंड स्टिल the planet Neptune has to complete its one revolution. So coming on to the next thing about Moon and other satellites. Moon is the natural satellite of our Earth. Satellite is termed as a part of the planet which somehow during the Big Bang excluded out from the planet. It actually has a rocky surface, and depending upon the parent planet, उसके हिसाब से ये अलग हो जाते हैं, and it revolves around the planet along with revolving around the sun. Coming on to the last one, asteroids and meteoroids. These are the debris which actually float in the galaxy, in the universe, in the space, and they continue to flow from one place to another. They may size from a small grain to a big huge planet. एस्ट्रॉइड्स और मेटेरॉइड्स एक छोटे कंकड़ से लेकर एक बड़े प्लैनेट जितने बड़े हो सकते हैं. यू माइट हैव हर्ड, कभी ना कभी बीच बीच में खबरें आती रहती हैं कि इस समय ये एस्ट्रॉइड धरती के नज़दीक से गया, इस समय ये गया. यू कैन सी इन द बैकग्राउंड दैट हाउ एस्ट्रॉइड्स मूव एंड फॉल. सो next portion in this chapter is detailing about Earth, that I have told in the beginning of chapter of this video, pardon me, that you can see the detailed video of Earth in the channel. Description I will be leaving in the link I will be leaving in the description box. You can search for that. That's all for today's video. Okay, thank you.